Alright, good morning guys. So I'm just making my way out of Cano Negro now. The road's a little rough, so the first 20 kilometers is going to be a little slow moving. After this, I'm retracing my steps back to Muele, and then I'll continue on towards the Caribbean coast. I'm staying in a town called Sarapiqui. It's about 137 kilometers today. Luckily, the roads aren't all like this. It smooths out really nice once I get on the main road up here. But until then, I'm just going to take it easy. So check this out, 14 kilometers in, I just had to stop to appreciate how beautiful it is here. So peaceful, there's like cows and birds. Amazing, it's really nice out here. Hey guys, so I've just had an early lunch. Had rice with sriracha and soy sauce. I am 67 kilometers in and soon I'll be in Muele, and then I'm turning towards the Caribbean coast left and going to Sarapiqui. So today's going good. The road's pretty busy, but trucks have been pretty courteous so far, so I haven't had any trouble. That's roadworks in Costa Rica. Crazy, just crazy. Alright guys, so I've got another 40 k's to go. I'm on Route 4 and luckily there's some good signage like this. You can see behind me, bikeway, but it's quite a lot of trucks, so it's a bit more like nerve-wracking. It's not too bad, they've been pretty courteous so far, but it does make me wonder how busy the next road 32 is going to be, which is supposed to be like the most dangerous road in Costa Rica. I only have to go on it for like 14 kilometers. And that's tomorrow probably, so we'll have to see how that goes. It's definitely unlike Costa Rica to have an emergency lane like this. No shoulder at all. So I'm counting my blessings, especially on this busy road. I'm hoping it's going to be like this for the rest of the way to Sarapiqui, but we'll see. What they were thinking when they put these lines into this walkway. It's like running into where a flange runs on a railway line. Alright. Cool. Hey guys, only got about 7 kilometers to go now. Don't have that shoulder anymore, which kind of sucks, but the trucks, there seem to be less trucks now anyway. Well, I thought there was, but here's a few. As you can see, highways are used a little differently here in Costa Rica. Pretty normal for people to be walking. Even earlier today, I passed a woman walking along a road just like this with her baby in her arms. It's crazy. Alright guys, so we have a bike path. This is the first one I've experienced here in Costa Rica. I mean, I think it's a bike path. It's pretty big. I tell you, I'm really glad too. This traffic has really picked up through here. Unfortunately, I've got about 14 kilometers tomorrow I need to do on this road. And my guess, there's a few bikes on it there. Fucking great. And my guess is that there's gonna be no shoulder, I think. I mean, I could get lucky and I could have like that sort of I-5 style freeway shoulder. But yeah, I really doubt it. It's a bit tight. That was, if you're ever in trouble like that, never look at what you want to avoid, because you'll go towards wherever you look. I had a glimpse at his handlebars and I just thought, no, I gotta look like the opposite way. I could just see him clipping me, but he didn't slow down either, he didn't give a fuck. And this dog's probably not gonna move either. Come on, watch out. Come on, get here. These guys have got issues. Hola. Hey. Alright guys, so I went too far. 8 kilometers too far. So I'm trying to smash my way back on the roads that I was laughing at bikes on before. Now it's me. Another 3.6. I'll be there. Alright guys, so funny story. The hostel's closed. Oh, Jesus Christ. Watch out, come on. Fucking hell. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. That was, wasn't expecting that. Alright, so you can probably tell I'm sort of somewhere rural. I followed the directions for the Airbnb, where I'm staying tonight, and they're wrong, obviously. But luckily I've worked it out, it's just around the corner. I called them, and, well, they're actually closed, but luckily the owner, I suppose, or maybe the receptionist or something actually still answered the phone, and they're still gonna have me stay tonight. So yeah, that's on Airbnb, I guess. I'm glad it's just around the corner, and hopefully next time I talk to you, I'll be at the hostel. No more issues. Whoa. Oh God. Okay. Alright guys, so here I am at the hostel now. As you can see, it's most definitely closed. So hopefully there's someone around to let me in. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. the dog. I'm not sure if there's someone here or not. What to say? Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Where's the owner, eh? Where's the owner, you whooper? You're much of a guard dog, are you? Yeah, right. Alright guys, so Tatiana, I had her on the phone trying to talk to the girl here at reception who doesn't speak any English. And then also I think maybe her father arrived. He speaks English and he's like, well, we're closed. But I said, I don't know where to go. And he said, yeah, it is getting dark. And he said, but the rooms aren't fixed or anything like that. But I mean, I think he's going to do something for me. I told him, I was like, it's no problem, you know, they're not fixed. It's just, you know, in an hour it'll be dark and it's just not safe, you know. So I think he's going to do something for me. Alright guys, so it's sorted now. They allowed me a room, so I'm pretty happy about that. The owner, I think, arrived and he speaks really good English, so he sorted me out. I mean, check this hostel out. This place would be so awesome when it's open and happening. This is the kitchen area. That's like the kitchen right there, right on the river. And he said that you can actually swim in the river as well. There's some steps just over on the right hand side of me. So how's that for a location, huh? I'm so happy he let me stay. He reckons you can swim in this. Alright guys, I'm back at the hostel now. This is my dinner. 3 uncooked cups of rice, and then cooked with sriracha and soy sauce. Mainly because it's all that I've got and I didn't have time to get to the supermarket. But to be realistic, this was my lunch as well. Bon appetit!